Microsoft Dynamics 365 is revolutionizing business operations across a multitude of industries by streamlining processes, enhancing customer engagement, enabling real-time data analytics, and providing a platform for innovation using next-generation AI. In our previous episodes, we've delved into the world-class Dynamics 365 customer service solutions and how Microsoft Dynamics 365 Copilot is making our lives easier. But what do the customers think about this game-changing technology? What if the organizations want to capitalize on the benefits of Dynamics 365 but don't know where to start? In this episode, our CloudSource consultant Kevin Beal will discuss CloudSource's approach on capitalizing the tremendous capabilities of Dynamics 365. I'm Shrishna from CloudSource and welcome to the last episode of Accelerated Intelligent Business Processes with Microsoft Dynamics 365.
As one of the fastest growing Microsoft Dynamics 365 partners in the UK, CloudSource has been working with a multitude of clients to design and implement Microsoft Dynamics 365 solutions utilizing the full Microsoft Dynamics application stack. When engaging with our customers, we deliver a comprehensive product overview and showcase the art of the possible from the outset of the requirements gathering phase. Through a series of collaborative design-based workshops, we embark on an expert-led journey with our customers, helping them to envision and define their future Dynamics 365 CRM solutions. I believe our CloudSource one-day free workshop is the ideal starting point. In just one day, we can assess the legacy technology, data and business processes and begin shaping the future vision. For a truly transformative experience, CloudSource offers a full catalyst program with 4 key stages: Inspire, Design, Empower and Achieve, which is also subject to part funding from CloudSource and/or Microsoft.
Thank you, Kevin, for sharing your thoughts with us. Let's hear from James Benton, Microsoft Business Application Specialist, about how organizations can kickstart their transformation journey with Dynamics 365.
By working with a certified Microsoft Dynamics partner such as CloudSource, organizations can access a team of professionally trained Dynamics 365 consultants who are accredited across the Dynamics 365 application stack. This collaboration allows businesses to leverage extensive knowledge and experience of implementing end-to-end Dynamics 365 solutions. The Dynamics 365 omnichannel customer service experience enables organizations to deliver both seamless customer and agent experiences across any channel. It boosts customer satisfaction, enhances agent productivity with real-time notifications, and leverages robust analytics and artificial intelligence to drive seamless experiences. With Dynamics 365, we can elevate both customer and agent experiences and keep customers at the heart of everything that we do. In short, organizations can achieve their business vision and future-proof their operations with Microsoft Dynamics 365 through its integrated CRM capabilities, advanced analytics, and AI, enabling customizable, configurable, and scalable solutions, whilst all being guided by a trusted Microsoft partner throughout your journey.
Thank you, James. Organizations today have many use cases to be built on Microsoft Dynamics 365, like delivering world-class customer experiences and leveraging AI-driven CRM solutions. However, many organizations face the challenge of not knowing where to start. That's why our free Inspire workshop is a perfect launchpad to kickstart your transformation journey with Microsoft Dynamics 365. Get in touch with us today and secure your spot.